the world don't move to the beat of just one
self-riding Dominator. It's what's for breakfast today. We're gonna run this thing out. I've got a 4616 prop that was doing very well on the rigger on 6S. I wonder just how well it'll want to do in a self-riding Dominator. My personal boat is practically new. Let's take this thing on down to the lake and see what's up. Self-riding Dom in the motherfucking house, baby doll. That's where it's at. That's who we are. We are here at the lake, getting ready to run, and just simply have a good time. Right now we got the 42 high rake on. I didn't realize it before I left the house, but this shaft is bent from RC Fest to hitting all those logs. It's not severely bent, so I'm still gonna run it, but we're not gonna get maximum performance out of it. But we're gonna have a great time. Let's do it. Yes, no sooner than she said it. LVC in the LBC. Here she is. I liked that. It wasn't a speed demon, but it's got some pretty old and tired batteries, for one. And also, this boat isn't to be a speed demon. I want this for shows. I just want something that self-rights and runs very reliable. Now, let's put both that 4616 on and see if it wakes it up some. Well, that sure was fun. We now have the 4616 bolted on, the self-riding Dom. Let's get after it and see what's up. Self-riding Dominator, activate. What we've got here is ESC clipping.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. When you hear it on the water, man, you know they grip.
Well, that sure told us quick. It's just a little bit too much prop. I don't have this boat properly, fully set up yet. It's running a little bit wet. That contributed to it, plus lame batteries. But to be safe, I don't like a setup that's that close to ESC clipping anyway, because once you get the ESC clipping and you keep doing it, it's gonna want to do it easier. But, let's go ahead and throw the 4514 stainless back on and do some blast passes, shall we? Well, oh well. Digging through my bag, I found a 4414. I don't expect it to be fast, but it should be fun. Let's see exactly what it does do. Okay, now that was sprinty. That was real sprinty. I liked it. I mean, I'm not really impressed with the top speed on that prop, but it's a good time, and that's what I came out here to have and show you that you can have with the Dominator. Now, mind you, this is a self-riding Dominator, but Dominator doesn't really flip over that much. It just simply doesn't, as you've seen. I've rarely gotten to use the self-riding abilities. But it's still a good feature to have if you find it suitable. Keep in mind, if you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying Radio Patrol model building. Bill Oxtein, the self-riding Dominator, over and out.